For a swollen elastomer, the equation of state can be written as sigma equals nRT V2 to the power 1 by 3 Ri by R0 squared alpha minus 1 over alpha squared. Explain qualitatively and very briefly where the term V2 to the power 1 by 3 originates. A derivation is not required. So the term V2 is the volume fraction of the swollen elastomer in the solvent, which means it's the volume of the elastomer divided by the total volume, which is the volume of the elastomer plus the solvent. So V2 is less than 1. The stress sigma is the force per unit cross-sectional area of the elastomer, and that is decreased because the number of chains occupying a given volume has decreased due to the extension along the axis that is perpendicular to the cross-sectional area. Since volume is the product of dimensions along three axes, the change in volume fraction would be V2 to the power of 1 over 3.